Hello friends, in this video, let us see how can we determine the data type of an object. So for that, we need to use function class. If suppose I want to assign a value of 10 to an object x and I hit run, then I can see that this value is created and the environment pane I can see that x has been assigned a value of 10. Now, if I want to know the data type for this variable x, I need to use function called class. Running it is showing that object X has a numeric data type. There are several other functions called library, data.frame. So if suppose I want to know what is the data type for library, I can use the function class, and when I hit run, I can see that it is a function. Similarly, for data.frame, it is reflecting that it is a function in fact. Now let me create another object y, and I've assigned a name called Anita to y. So running it, I can see here that this object y is created in the environment pane. And when I want to know the class of this object y, running it, I can see that it is in fact a character. Therefore, through function class, we can see that what is the data type for a particular object. So now let us see that. So is it possible to combine different types of data set into one single object? Well, yes. So let's take an example from one of my other video on data frame. You may watch that video at the link specified in the description box. So I want to create a data type structure through data.frame function, and I want to create an object called AM. So I specified that in this data type structure, there are three variables: months, products, and sales. And the values are also been defined in this data.frame function. Here, after running it, I can see that this AM object is created and shows that there are 6 observations of 3 variables with different variable names. I can print that as well. Here, this is the data type structure which I have just created. If suppose I want to see the data type for this data set AM, I can use function class and I can see that this is in fact a data.frame type. So it implies that our data is an object AM. So can I see the structure of this object? Yes, with using str function. Here, after using str function, I can see that there are 6 observations and 3 variables. And if suppose I want to see the first 6 lines of data frame AM, I can use the function head and I can see the first 6 lines. However, this data has only 6 lines, but suppose this data consists of more than 6 lines, using function head will show only the first 6 lines. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.